guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Right, so I went on vacation between the week of from the 18th to the 25th of October. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a view of some of the outfits, like the major outfits that I wore on my trip. Just to show you guys, of course, I mean, I didn't get to really show you guys what I packed, but I wanted to show you guys the outfits that, of course, I took with me and that I did end up wearing. Some of them I didn't end up wearing. So, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so there are 6 outfits that I ended up wearing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna break this video up into 2 videos. I'm gonna do a part 1, I'm gonna do a part 2. So 3 of the outfits I'm gonna try on in this video. I'm gonna show you guys what I paired it with, and then the other 3 outfits I'm gonna show you guys in another video, and of course what I paired them with. I decided to break it up, just in case, because I might end up showing you guys what I paired them with, as well as tips and ideas that you guys can do the same thing. So I'm gonna try on the first one and I'll be back. So this is outfit number 1. So my husband and I went to Atlantic City for 3 days, and then we went to see our in-laws for 4 days in Maryland. So one of the outfits, this was the outfit that I wore in Atlantic City. And as you guys know, when we go on vacation, ladies, when we go on vacation, I mean, it goes for gentlemen too. We always have to carry that one pair of shoes that we know is going to match with everything, regardless of what, because we're not going to pack 10, 15 million different shoes, every pair of shoes to go with every outfit. Trust me, if I had the opportunity to and if I had the room, I would. I really would. But these babies right here, these heels, these clear heels, was my go-to shoe for the whole entire 8 days that we went away. I'm telling you guys right now, because these will pair with anything that you want to pair with. Not only is it shoes that you're going to carry, you're also going to carry a little purse. Now, the purse is going to be your go-to purse for the whole entire trip, right? Right. So this was my go-to purse. I had my bigger purse at home, like back in the hotel or back in the house. But when I'm actually doing something that's like really quick or whatever the case may be, taking something with me, I have to carry something little that I know is going to match with anything as well. So this was my little go-to purse that I wore throughout the whole entire trip. So that was my thing, right? So as you see, this is outfit number 1, right? So this was the full dress, the full ensemble. And then, of course, I paired it with my go-to shoes and my go-to purse. Right? So this was outfit number 1, guys. Did you guys see? Nice little cream dress. You can wear it to any little night out that you want. Pair it with any accessories that you want. Or you can keep it as a nice, bold dress. Everything. Right? So, right? That was outfit number 1. Right? Okay. All right, so I'm going to try on outfit number 2. All right, guys. So this is outfit number 2. So this is a nice little jumper one-piece suit. I actually wear this in Maryland, and I went to like a little family gathering, whatever, COVID. So it was just very minimal of us. And of course, you got to pair it with the one bag that you're carrying for your whole trip. And I paired it with my go-to shoes, right? My go-to shoes, guys. Right, so this was the outfit. Let me just take this off, show you guys the full view. So this is the back. This is the front. It is a nice little one. And guys, I love the color teal. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, girl. Right, so this is it. Paired it with my heels. you have it. This is outfit number 2. Outfit number 2. So, next and final outfit for part 1 of my vacation main outfits try on. So, let's get to the next one. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 3. Now, this is definitely not me. I felt like a biker chick in this, but I still loved it because it's different. It's different, it's trendy, it's out of the ordinary, and that's what I liked about it. You got your nice little sweater with your cute little leather pants there, your leather pants, guys. Right, and you got your boots. So look at these boots, guys. Look at these combat boots. Right? Look at these boots. Now, I felt like I could kick somebody in the face. It's like, mess with me. Okay? So, don't pay me no mind. Right? So, this is how I felt. This was my outfit. I actually wore this outfit to go from Atlantic City to Maryland. So, that was like my go-to outfits that I felt like was, you know, perfect for traveling, but not too like over the top. You understand? So this was my outfit from Atlantic City to Maryland. And this, I actually really like this outfit. This was really an outfit that I appreciated when I wore it. If you get what I'm saying. I appreciated this outfit, guys. I appreciated it. I did. Right, so there you have it, guys. This was outfit number 3, last and final outfit of part 1 of my vacation statement pieces. I hope you guys liked all 3 outfits. Comment down below which one was your favorite, of course. You can put for outfit number 1, you can put, of course, the little the cream dress. Outfit number 2, you can put of course the little green jumpsuit, and of course outfit number 3, right, leather pants, cute sweater, and the boots. Right, so I hope you guys liked it. Just another full look, so that way you guys can see what it looks like. This is the boots. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is the end of part 1 of my try-on haul. I hope you guys like this video. There is more where that came from. Guys. So next will be part 2 that you guys are gonna see in the next couple days. Right, so I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I, of course, look forward to you guys seeing part 2, hearing your input. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that notification bell to know when the next video comes out. Love you guys. Bye.